time outdoors. This special report is presented by the Public Relations Department.
The Department of Disease Control, an agency under the Ministry of Public Health, has warned the public of the dangers of heat stroke and advised people to avoid spending too much time outdoors. Bangkok this week is seeing a max heat of 38 to 39 degrees Celsius, while northern Thailand is expecting 36 to 42 degrees Celsius. The heat wave is expected to persist into next week. The higher temperatures carry increased risk of heat stroke. Dr. Chulikon Thanapitikon of the Department of Disease Control cautioned the public to be mindful of their health and watch for symptoms that could lead to heat stroke. She also spoke about initiating a warning system for public areas.
The heat stroke is the condition that the body temperature rapidly rises to greater than 40 degrees Celsius and is associated with central nervous system abnormalities such as coma or confusions. The patient will have a dry and hot skin, although sometimes they will have hypotension and tachycardia and tachypnea are often present as well. Currently, the temperatures of Thailand is rising up to 40 degrees Celsius, particularly in the northern regions of Thailand. So the basic of the protective interventions is start by keep the eyes on the weather forecasting. In case of any day that the temperature is rising up to more than 47 degrees Celsius, the observations on the symptoms of dizziness, muscle cramping, rash or edema should be concerned, as well as the urine color. If the urine getting darker, it means the body has begun to have a lack of water condition. And easy protective interventions are firstly begin with the keeping out of the sun between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Secondly, the sweating. Because of the sweating can lead to water depletion up to 1 to 2 liters per hour, then the replacement of water should be 2 to 4 glasses per hour. Thirdly, please wearing the light shirt or wearing the hat and looking for the cooler air